Oh, close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a dish so incredibly comforting, something that evokes feelings of warmth, nostalgia, and pure satisfaction. It feels like a warm hug in a bowl, a culinary embrace that soothes the soul and brings a smile to your face. It's the kind of dish you crave on a chilly evening, or when you simply need a little pick-me-up. That's swamp potatoes. This recipe has taken the internet by storm, captivating food lovers and home cooks alike. It's been shared, liked, and recreated countless times, becoming a true viral sensation. For good reason. Imagine tender golden potatoes, cooked to perfection. Now picture them swimming in a rich, savory, slightly spicy gravy, a sauce so flavorful it will make your taste buds sing. And then, it's all topped with bubbly cheese, melted to gooey perfection, creating a blanket of cheesy goodness. Or, if you prefer, a crispy crust, adding a delightful textural contrast to the creamy interior. Every single bite is creamy, bold, and deeply satisfying. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that will leave you completely content. It's the kind of meal that makes you want to curl up on the couch with a good book and savor every single spoonful, appreciating the simple pleasures in life. But why has it gone viral? What makes swamp potatoes so irresistible? Because comfort food connects us. It has a unique ability to bring people together, fostering a sense of community and shared experience. It's about reminding us of home, of those cherished memories created in the heart of the house, family, of the bonds that tie us together through generations, and simple joys, the little things that make life worth celebrating. Swamp potatoes are undeniably hearty, filling, and surprisingly easy to make, even for novice cooks, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their culinary skills. The quirky name sparks curiosity, drawing you in and making you wonder what this intriguing dish is all about. And the bubbling casserole photos online, showcasing its golden, cheesy goodness, make it utterly irresistible. But here's a twist. Today's version is entirely vegetarian, offering a plant-based alternative to the classic recipe. It's completely vegetarian and plant-based, capturing all the magic of the original without any meat products. The rich flavors and textures that you expect from the original recipe are perfectly replicated, offering a truly authentic experience. All achieved with wholesome vegetables, carefully selected to create a symphony of flavors. You get all the comfort, all the flavor, but lighter and packed with veggies, making it a healthier and more sustainable choice. This recipe isn't just for vegetarians, it's a celebration of delicious food that everyone can enjoy. It's for anyone who loves good food, regardless of their dietary preferences. Whether you're a busy parent looking for a quick and easy weeknight meal, a college student craving a taste of home, or a seasoned cook eager to try a new twist on a classic, swamp potatoes welcome everyone to the table, offering a comforting and satisfying experience for all. With simple ingredients, a little love, and a dash of creativity, you've got a dish everyone will remember, a dish that will become a cherished part of your culinary repertoire. My love for cooking, at its heart, is about transformation, taking something simple and turning it into something truly special. It's about the magic that happens when heat, technique, and a little bit of love come together. Turning humble ingredients, often overlooked and underestimated, into something extraordinary. It's about elevating the everyday. When I first heard of swamp potatoes, I was intrigued, drawn in by the name and the promise of a hearty, comforting dish. But, like many traditional recipes, most versions were loaded with meat. As a plant-based cook, dedicated to exploring the endless possibilities of vegetarian cuisine, I saw a challenge, a delicious puzzle to solve. Could I capture that same deep, savory comfort, that feeling of warmth and satisfaction that comes from a truly great comfort food dish? Using only vegetables, relying on the natural flavors and textures of the plant kingdom and spices. Could I create a dish that was both familiar and exciting, comforting, and completely plant-based? I experimented with different veggies, playing with textures and flavor combinations, and plant proteins, searching for the perfect balance of heartiness and flavor. I was determined to make a vegetarian version, a plant-based rendition of this classic dish that stands on its own, not as a substitute, but as a celebration of plant-based eating. The result? A dish so good, so flavorful and satisfying, no one misses the meat, not even a little bit. This recipe is packed with nutrient-dense vegetables, offering a wealth of vitamins and minerals, fiber-rich legumes, providing sustained energy and promoting digestive health, and wholesome potatoes, offering a comforting and grounding element to the dish. It's satisfying, deeply nourishing from the inside out, energizing, fueling your body with goodness, and leaves you feeling great, light yet full. Comfort food can be nourishing. It doesn't have to be heavy or unhealthy, and mindful, a way to connect with your body and nourish yourself with intention. This recipe proves it. It's a testament to the power of plant-based cooking. Cooking is about creativity, an opportunity to express yourself and explore new flavors. Use what you have, adapt the recipe to your own preferences, and what's available in your pantry. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new things and put your own spin on it and make it your own. Let your intuition guide you. Whether you're a lifelong vegetarian, deeply rooted in the plant-based lifestyle, or just curious, dipping your toes into the world of vegetarian cooking, this dish is a delicious place to start. It's approachable, satisfying, and full of flavor. A few simple swaps, replacing meat with plant-based alternatives, can lead to incredible results. It's a testament to the versatility of vegetables. Let this recipe inspire. Let it be a stepping stone to a world of culinary exploration, your own plant-based adventure. Embrace the journey and enjoy the delicious discoveries along the way. Oh, the secret to unforgettable swamp potatoes is the veggie base. Start with onion, celery, and bell peppers, diced and sautéed for a sweet, aromatic foundation. Use a mix of red and green bell peppers for balance. Add plenty of minced garlic for a pungent kick. Sliced cremini mushrooms bring umami and meaty texture. These ingredients create a rich, savory base for the gravy. Yukon Gold potatoes are the star, creamy, tender, and perfect for soaking up flavor. No need to peel. The skins add rustic texture and nutrients. The potatoes become little bites of comfort as they cook. For the liquid, use vegetable broth and a touch of tomato paste for depth. A splash of soy sauce or tamari adds extra savoriness. This combination creates a luscious, flavorful gravy. Every ingredient is coated in deliciousness. To make swamp potatoes a meal, add plant-based protein. Lentils, brown or green, hold their shape and mimic the heartiness of meat. Use cooked lentils or try plant-based ground meat for a rich, chewy texture. Beans like black beans or kidney beans or grains like quinoa add creaminess and nutrition. Mix and match based on what's in your pantry. Crumbled tempeh or tofu are also great. Just steam or pan fry first for best flavor. These proteins soak up the gravy and make the dish filling. Choose what you enjoy and what fits your taste. The key is flexibility. Make it your own. With the right protein, swamp potatoes become a hearty, satisfying meal. The right tools make cooking swamp potatoes a breeze. A large Dutch oven is perfect for sautéing, simmering, and baking all in one pot. Prefer hands-off? Use a slow cooker. Just sauté veggies first, then let it cook low and slow. A sharp chef's knife and big cutting board make prep easy and safe. For storage, use airtight glass containers. They keep leftovers fresh and are easy to reheat. Portion out for grab-and-go lunches or store a big batch for the week. Good tools turn cooking into a creative, enjoyable process. All right, let's dive into the heart of the kitchen and cook up something truly special. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure, creating a dish that's both comforting and packed with flavor. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and unleash your inner chef. First things first, let's heat some oil in your trusty Dutch oven. A good quality oil, like olive oil or avocado oil, will work perfectly here. We want to maintain a nice, even temperature, so set your stovetop to medium heat. This will ensure that our vegetables cook evenly and develop a beautiful depth of flavor. Now, add your diced onion to the pot. We're going to sauté it, allowing it to sweat and release its natural sweetness. Next, toss in your chopped celery. Celery adds a subtle, savory note that complements the other vegetables beautifully, followed by your diced bell peppers. Feel free to use a mix of colors for a vibrant and visually appealing dish. Continue to sauté these vegetables until they become soft and wonderfully fragrant, releasing their aromatic oils into the pot. This is where the magic begins. Now, it's time to add the minced garlic. Garlic is a flavor powerhouse, so don't be shy. And then add your sliced mushrooms. These will bring an earthy richness to our dish. Let the mushrooms cook until they develop a lovely golden brown color, intensifying their savory flavor. Now sprinkle in some flour to thicken the sauce, creating a luscious base for our stew. Then stir in a generous spoonful of tomato paste, adding depth and a touch of sweetness. It's spice time. Add smoked paprika for a smoky depth, thyme for an earthy aroma, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Slowly pour in your vegetable broth, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully. Keep stirring to avoid any lumps from forming, ensuring a smooth and velvety sauce. Now bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to deepen and intensify. Add your diced potatoes, the heart of our swamp potatoes. And finally, add your chosen plant-based protein, whether it's tofu, tempeh, or your favorite alternative. Season generously with salt and pepper, adjusting to your personal preference. Cover the Dutch oven and let it simmer on low heat for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together. Cook until the potatoes are easily pierced with a fork, indicating they're perfectly tender, and the gravy has thickened to a rich, comforting consistency. You can serve it as a hearty and satisfying stew, perfect for a chilly evening, or take it to the next level by transforming it into a delicious casserole. For a cheesy, melty topping, sprinkle generously with your favorite dairy-free cheese. Alternatively, you can create a crispy, golden crust with breadcrumbs. Pop it into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes until the topping is beautifully golden and bubbly, a sign of pure deliciousness. Before diving in, let the casserole rest for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to settle. And there you have it. The result is a bubbling, comforting dish that's sure to warm your heart and soul. Your swamp potatoes are now ready to enjoy. With simple steps, you've created big flavor. Feel free to customize the topping to perfectly match your taste preferences. Swamp potatoes are as easy as they are incredibly delicious. Swamp potatoes are perfect for meal prep. The flavors deepen overnight, making leftovers even better. Store in airtight containers in the fridge for up to 5 days. Reheat in the microwave or on the stovetop for quick meals. For longer storage, freeze in freezer-safe containers for up to 3 months. Thaw overnight in the fridge and reheat gently, adding broth if needed. Portion into individual containers for grab-and-go lunches. Prep veggies and protein ahead to save time during the week. Component prepping makes home cooking easy and stress-free. Enjoy comfort food anytime with minimal effort. Swamp potatoes are a blank canvas for global flavors. For a Mexican twist, use black beans, green chilies, cumin, and chili powder. Top with dairy-free sour cream and lime. Mediterranean, add chickpeas, oregano, lemon, olives, and sun-dried tomatoes. Finish with parsley and dairy-free feta. Craving Indian flavors? Use curry powder, turmeric, cayenne, and coconut milk. Serve with dairy-free yogurt and cilantro. Mix proteins like lentils and tempeh for extra heartiness. For a lower-carb version, swap some potatoes for cauliflower or turnips. Add any veggies you have: carrots, peas, green beans. Adjust the recipe to fit your needs and preferences. The possibilities are endless. Have fun making it your own. And after simmering and baking, your vegetarian swamp potatoes are ready. The aroma is irresistible, rich, savory, and inviting. The top is golden and bubbly, with pockets of thick, flavorful gravy. Each spoonful is a harmony of tender potatoes, hearty protein, and soft, flavorful veggies. The umami depth rivals any meat-based dish. This isn't just a substitute, it's a classic in its own right. Plant-based comfort food can be decadent and satisfying. Swamp potatoes invite everyone to the table, vegetarian, omnivore, or anyone in between. Proof that comfort food can be nourishing and delicious. Make a big pot, share it, and create new memories. This recipe will become a favorite in your home.